Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names. The first animal is a lioness. This is a lioness. A lioness is a wild animal. The next one is alligator. This is alligator. A leopard. This is a leopard. The next animal is gorilla. This is gorilla. A lion. This is a lion. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A duck. This is a duck. The next one